Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll go over 3 SEO mistakes that most websites make and how to fix them without needing a developer. Let's start with keyword cannibalization. It sounds scary, and it is. This happens when 2 or more pages on your site try to rank for the same keyword. Google gets confused about which page to rank, and so you lose your traffic potential. So for example, you publish 2 articles about email automations in CRMs. One is about strategy and the other one is a how-to guide. Both compete each other and drop in rankings. Here is how you can fix it. Pick the stronger page, better content or more links, combine the 2 pages and redirect the weaker one to the stronger one. We will talk about it on tip 3. Now Google knows which page to show and your rankings goes up. Now let's talk about long tail and short tail keywords. Not all the keywords are created equal. Short-tail keywords are more broad and competitive, and long-tail keywords are more specific and easier to rank. So for example, SEO tools is a short-tail keyword. It's hard to rank and it has lots of competition. But for example, best SEO tools for startups is a long-tail keyword, and it's easy to rank and it's more specific. So start with long-tail keywords. This brings in people who know exactly what they want and are more likely to read, click, or even buy. So focus on this first, and once your traffic grows, go for short-term keywords. Now it's time for redirects. When you delete a page or combine 2 articles, you need to redirect the old link to the new one. Otherwise, you will lose all the SEO value. So what happens if you don't? People hit a 404 error, you lose traffic and backlinks, Google sees a broken page. So how to do it? Use a 301 redirect to tell Google that your page has moved. In WordPress, you can use plugins like RankMath, or simply ask your developer. It's just 1-minute task. Redirects help to keep your backlinks, traffic, and rankings safe. So what we've got? Don't let your pages fight each other, fix keyword cannibalization, use long-tail keywords first, they are easier and smarter, and redirect all pages instead of deleting them. These 3 fixes can make a bigger difference than 100 new blog posts. So if you need help to find or fix this, just drop us a message. Like, subscribe, and check out our blog articles at say9.ai for more breakdowns. See you in the next one!